You asked for it, guys. So here it is, the makeup portion of this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hi guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel where I do product reviews, girl talks, mini vlogs, and anything in between. So if you're new here and you're interested in my content, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Okay?
Alrighty then, so let's get started with the moisturization of the situation. Right here, I'm using Nivea Soft to moisturize my face, and I'm also going to use it to moisturize my neck, guys. Whenever you're moisturizing, whatever you use on your face, or in general, whatever you use on your face, use it on your neck as well, because you don't want your neck to be looking different from your face, okay? Now I'm going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, and I'm also going to use the Kohl Hydra Primer as well. I use both because I have oily skin, and the Stay Matte helps my face to stay matte, and the Kohl adds some hydration to it because when I only use the Stay Matte, I tend to get too dry. So especially in winter time. Right here, I'm adding some Stay Matte on my eyelids and eyebrows, and also in my T-zone, or in the areas that I tend to get oily. Right here, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using an eyebrow powder palette that I got on eBay. The eyebrow brush I'm using, I got from MAC Cosmetics. I honestly don't do anything special when I'm doing my eyebrows. I just really follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, and I do like a sweeping motion, and then at the front of my brow I'll do like upward strokes at the front. But yeah, for the most part, I don't do anything special, guys. Now I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer around my eyes, just to further define my brows. And what I love about this foundation, guys, is the fact that it is a foundation and concealer in one. So when you have this, you don't really have to go out of your way to get additional concealer. You can just use this foundation to do both, because that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing here in this video. I use this foundation to do everything, to conceal and also to do my makeup. And I'm just using a concealer brush right here to blend out everything.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know they.
Now I'm combing through my brows with a eyebrow comb, and then I'm going to use a makeup sponge to just finish blending out the rest of the concealer or foundation.
I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed.
Right here, I'm applying my foundation, the same foundation, Clinique Beyond Perfecting, with my hands. I'm using my hands to spread the foundation, guys, and then I'm going to use my makeup sponge to finish blending it.
Somebody told me I should hit and run. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know. Cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know. Cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
Now I'm adding a little bit more of the foundation underneath my eyes to use as a concealer. Here I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my foundation. And because my skin tone, I have a yellow skin undertone, guys, so I prefer to use this one because it also adds back that yellowness back into my skin as well. Because if you noticed, guys, after I applied the foundation, my skin was looking a bit pale, but the Sacha Buttercup setting powder helps to bring back that yellowness that the foundation took away earlier. The struggle is real, guys. It's really hard as a black woman to find foundations that fit you perfectly. So, you know, you just have to do what you gotta do to make it work. Now I'm using my It's My Riri eyeshadow palette. I'm using one of the contour shades to contour. I'll put up the shade here on the screen for you. I'm just adding some more Sacha Buttercup to below my contour to help define it a little bit more. Right here, guys, I'm adding a bit of contour on my nose just to contour my nose a bit. I don't usually contour my nose, guys, but I felt like doing it this time. Now I'm adding a little bit of blush. I like to add it in the same area that I usually add my contour. I don't know why, but I just like it there better. From my It's My Riri eyeshadow palette, I'm going to add mousse in my crease. Then I'm going to use Midnight on the outer corner, and on the middle of my eyelids I'm going to use Nudist, and to finish off I'll be using Allison on the top to give it some shimmer. And on my bottom lash line I'm going to use Mousse and Midnight to give my eyes some definition. Right here I'm just showing you what the 4 colors look like that I'm using. Alright, now it's time to apply some liquid eyeliner. I'm using e.l.f. liquid eyeliner right here. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Great Lash Waterproof Mascara. The shade is in brownish black.
I'm being honest, y'all. I'm being honest. We just do what we do. Ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side. Can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we
Adding some Blistex right here, guys, to give my lips some moisture.
My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster.
Now I'm using a nude lip liner to line my lips, and also I'm going to use a nude lipstick as well.
He got my love. 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 He got my
For lip gloss, I'm using NYX Butter Gloss.
He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without eyes. I'm being honest.
Now I'm just highlighting my beauty marks with my liquid eyeliner. My foundation covered them, so I'm just bringing them back to life.
Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground. Keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe inside. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling.
So now I'm spraying some setting spray on my face just to set my makeup. And when it's almost dry, I'm going to add some highlighter to my cheekbones and to the areas that I would like to pop. Then I'm going to finish up with my hair and show you guys the finished look after. Okay.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time. Yeah.
Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
Hit and run. But they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.